Let's talk about 3 sewing patterns that are perfect for ITY fabric. ITY fabric is something that's commonly found a lot in online fabric shops, and you might be wondering, what can I sew with this that will look good? So ITY stands for interlock twist yarn, and it is just a really common type of fabric that is very lightweight. It has a lot of drape to it. It doesn't have very good recovery. It's not going to be good for like workout types of uses, but it is going to be great for making dresses and tops. So let's talk about 3 sewing patterns that are great for this fabric. The first pattern is the one that I'm wearing here today, and that is chorus top and dress. This pattern was actually created in collaboration with the Love Notions Pattern Support Group on Facebook. The pattern designer Tammy took everybody's feedback, and we did like a process of voting and surveys and stuff to be able to end up with this pattern. And it is exactly what the community wanted, and it's fabulous. So it's a top, it's a dress, it has several sleeve options, including a cute little split sleeve, and it's great for spring and summer wearing. And incidentally, it is today's $6 Feature Friday pattern at Love Notion, so you can get it on a great deal. I'm wearing the dress version, but there also is a top version, which just makes a nice, cute summer top. And ITY is ideal for it because it is a fabric that drapes. And this pattern is a drape neckline. There's actually 2 different depths that you can choose from for the front and the back. There is this deeper drape, and then you can choose from a more shallow drape as well. The back has just a regular back neckline, or you can choose to include the deeper drape back as well. So you can really get like your Grecian goddess vibe going with this pattern. So that's one pattern that is great for sewing with ITY. Chorus top and dress is available in sizes extra small to 5X with the full bust option. It has 2 draped neckline depths, a long gathered skirt, a short skirt with pockets, and a shirt version. There's 5 sleeves, short, split cap, sleeveless, long, and elbow. ITY also is perfect for Willow wrap dress. This also comes in a peplum length, but this dress version is ideal for ITY. So it is actually a faux wrap dress. So the bodice is wrapped, but and creates kind of like a faux wrap, but the skirt is just an A-line cute skirt, and ITY is perfect for that. The pattern also has side ruching options where you can create a pleated or a gathered side detail, and it just is perfect with the lightweight ITY. The pattern also has a cute little flounce option around the neckline, and that is ideal for ITY as well because you don't have to hem that or do any treatment to that raw edge. ITY is lovely for this pattern, and I hope that you try it out. It has lots of options, including lots of sleeves, as well as a maternity option, and ITY is great for maternity fabric as well. Another great use for ITY is with the Sunday romper sewing pattern. Now this romper is a 1-piece wonder, and you can create it with shorts, a long skirt, a knee-length skirt, crop, just so many different ways to sew this up in a dolman or a tank style. It comes in sizes 0 to 32 and includes a full bust option as well. But ITY is just great for this type of pattern because it will stretch really generously as you are putting the pattern on, as you're putting this piece on. And it also allows you to showcase some really fun designs and prints. And so ITY stretches with you really well for this pattern, and it's so drapey and beautiful, especially along that like waistline area. It just really shows off that gathered area, and it's just so comfortable, lightweight, and easy to use for a pattern like this. And while I'm here letting you know about some of the fun things that are happening at Love Notions coming very, very soon, I just thought this was the perfect time to let you in on a little sneak peek of my interlude jean jacket. And this is a new pattern that's going to be available starting next week. It is amazing, and I think it goes really good with my my chorus dress here. So I know that in the spring and the summer, I always want to have like an outer layer to keep me warm, especially if it's like early morning or late at night. I want to just have like a nice casual jacket to put over my dressier skirts and tops and dresses and stuff. So I think this jacket is going to get so much use. I love being able to pair it with my cute sewn dresses and tops. So take a look starting next week for Interlude jacket. There's also a version of this that is sort of a longer length. This is the cropped version, and the longer length as well would be great for more casual wear. So keep an eye on that and check your email on Tuesday of next week. And last but not least, before you click away and go grab your chorus dress for $6 for Feature Friday, you need to know that starting in May, for Me Made May, Love Notions is going to be doing a trunk show. We're offering a bunch of our patterns, a new one every single day of May at an incredible, but I think you're gonna love it, and I think you're gonna get enthused and excited about sewing some great new things this spring and summer. And so let's all participate in Me Made May this year and jump on the Love Notions trunk show. So check back starting May 1st for a new pattern every single day where you're gonna be able to get a great deal and learn a little bit more about one of the patterns that makes Love Notions special. So drop a comment in here if you've sewn with Chorus, if you've sewn with ITY before and have some Love Notions pattern recommendations for it. I can't wait to see what you make with Love Notions patterns and ITY. It's not that hard to sew with, but it does have a little bit of a learning curve. So take your time, find a fun special pattern and a fun special print of ITY and have a ball sewing something that you will love. And don't forget to layer the interlude jacket over the top of it. See you in May for Me Made May, and make sure that you check back next week for the new interlude jacket from Love Notions. Bye.